Hello, welcome to a new video. Today's video is going to be about 10 amazing facts about space. Fact 1: 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun, and the Sun is considered an average-sized star. Fact 2: for years it was believed that Earth was the only planet in our solar system with liquid water. Fact 3: the largest volcano we know of in our solar system is actually on Mars. Fact 4: the first living being to journey into space was a dog named Laika. Fact 5: the Great Red Spot on Jupiter is actually a giant storm that has been raging for at least 350 years. Fact 6: the largest asteroid ever recorded is called Ceres, and it's about 590 miles, 940 kilometers, across. Fact 7: the first person to ever go into space was Yuri Gagarin from Russia. Fact 8: there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Fact 9: a black hole is created when big stars explode. Its gravitational force is so strong that nothing can escape from it. Fact 10: when venturing into space, astronauts wear spacesuits that have their own oxygen supply. They also have a special cooling system to keep them from overheating. I hope you learned from today's video. Bye.